So, tell me about yourself, Amaka. What school did you finish from?
FPU.
FPU.
Yes.
What's that?
Federal Poly, Onisha.
Oh. Federal Police. It's nice. It's nice. What's your discipline?
Discipline, kwa. Amaka is a good girl. Amaka is a good girl.
I mean the course you studied.
Oh. Business.
Have your drink. Have your drink. Have your drink.
Sorry.